This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
Alright, man. I ain't gonna lie. We just spawned. I ain't gonna cap. We just spawned at goddamn 7-Eleven, man. I ain't gonna lie. We just spawned, gang. But y'all see, we got those out. Oh my goodness. They got the 360. Got those Hellcat. Yo, bro. This is looking crazy as hell. But yeah. Oh, hold on. He put the sliders on that, bro. This shit looks so raw, bro. Damn. That shit look raw as hell, bro. Oh my goodness. But yeah, bro, we just spawned in the GTA server. I ain't gonna lie to you. We just spawned in the GTA server. But yeah.
You was wild as fuck. Who the fuck said that?
It looking crazy. I don't know, bro. Let me know. I fuck with the V's though. Hey, finally got the front bumper. I did this on TikTok Live though. If y'all don't be tuned in, I did this on TikTok Live. But hey, down this bro, we chilling. Got front, rear, cat wheels. I gotta get diff now. I gotta get my diff. I gotta go and get. Well, no. First thing first, I need to tune my car. So we probably gonna tune my shit. We might tune the car. If not next week, then maybe the week after that. But that's our plans. So yeah, bro. And you see, he forged carbon. This look crazy. But yeah. I don't know. Hold on. We can low-key walk through these bitches one more time.
Right here, goddamn Dinkkk on the goddamn.
Yo, what's good?
Good, goddamn it. What's good, motherfucker? Little nigga in my arm, you feel me? That nigga.
What's good, bro? This shit crazy. Hold up. We can go and give, you know what I'm saying, a walk of their cars too, bro. We might as well. We walked everybody else shit. He got a, damn. Okay. Nah, he got a splitter on his. And then, bro, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna give it a bean. Bro, his wide body kit look regular. You can't. It look OEM to me. Bro, it look OEM to me.
From a distance, no, you can't tell. From a distance, it look okay, but in person, fuck no, bro. You know this look OEM.
But that's what I'm saying. Yeah, this does look OEM, bro. I ain't gonna care.
The tires might be the same.
Nah, Unc had wildin'. I thought this was like a fucking like a scat or something. No, it's a fucking cat. That bitch got. That's right. You know that bitch a cat. Oh my god, I did not know that. That shit look crazy. Oh my god.
Hit that bitch one time. Hit that bitch one time. Oh, damn, Mark. That's crazy. God damn. Oh, yeah, he got big boy shit.
That shit look crazy.
This nigga got some shit, don't it?
Yeah.
I wanna hit you grab that bitch one time. One time. You know that listen. That's not even happening.
Oh shit. That bitch sound crazy. Damn. That bitch is nasty, bro. That bitch sound crazy.
Oh, that's trill.
Damn. That shit sound crazy. What the fuck?
This shit, bro.
That bitch sound crazy as fuck, bro. Damn. Oh my gosh. Damn. There you go, man. Oh my god, that shit look crazy. What the fuck? God. I ain't gonna lie. Ain't gonna lie. Ray, you shitting, bro. This bitch look crazy, bro. Damn. Hey, that bitch look crazy. This your first time seeing it? Hell yeah, this my first time seeing this bitch. That bitch is crazy. Oh my god. That bitch is crazy, bro. Oh my god.
Bro, that front lip is OD. What's your paint?
What the
Bro, this bitch is crazy, bro. I'm telling you, bro. And yeah, that bitch crazy. That bitch crazy, bro. That bitch ain't no way. But yeah, other than shit, but you got crazy. Come on, nigga. What you doing, man? Come on, man. Get your ass walking.
Nah, this nigga, he cooked on that bitch, bro. That shit is tough. Yo.
God damn, that bitch blow. Great motherfuckers right here, man. Leak, get your ass out the way.
Yo, what?
That nigga say you should let me. I should be so I can see out his look. That bitch yesterday.
Damn.
I thought I put you on that bitch ass. Damn. Got out, I was like, God damn, that bitch
What
go.
the fuck? What's good?
What y'all boys doing, man?
That bitch crazy, bro. What the fuck?
Now that I'm seeing you in person, Ray, you might could get 20,000. You might could get 20K.
But yeah, no. This bitch is so crazy, bro. Oh my goodness. Bro, this the hardest second gen, bro. I ain't even gonna fake. Damn. This bitch is so tough, bro. Alright. I see what y'all saying, bro. I need to wrap my shit. Yo, but we gonna get there, bro. I got a few more things I gotta do, and then we got we gonna goddamn we gonna get to that bitch. But oh my god,
We'll come in Richmond, like, just post that shit.
the bitch
I'm gonna tell y'all about
crazy.
It's a continent, nigga. I'm like,
What the fuck is going on? Yo, bruh.
Harley Brothers. Where does this nigga say at?
That's what I'm saying. I don't wait. Oh, so we staying here.
They said we're just cruising. What's that idea? What's the idea? Like,
what?
Niggas be going, like, oh, you want to do that? Like, you got the, man, that shit hard.
Just like reels type shit.
Though,
There we go. Yeah, bro. I know I'm supposed to get my camera fixed, but I ain't gonna lie. Bro, we gonna get that shit fixed whenever it's time. Oh my god. That nigga Ray getting crazy. Oh my god. This shit is crazy, bro. Hold on, wait. Let me wind my windows up real quick. Oh my goodness. But we got them bitches through the city ski. Damn. Okay. I'm fucking with it. Oh, somebody up that bitch getting crazy. Hey, these niggas is tripping. These niggas getting crazy, bro. No cap.
Yo, what's going on?
Yo. Oh, these niggas tripping. Yo, no, these niggas is these niggas is tripping. Look at the Cybertruck. This shit is crazy. Oh my goodness. Yo, bro. They get the moving, cuz I don't even know where they at right now. They goddamn got so crazy. I can still smell them though. That shit is crazy. You can smell the rubber, bro. Oh my goodness. My fault I ain't talking to y'all. I'm really trying to like focus. You know what I'm saying? This is such a low-key underground spot. This shit is crazy. It really ain't no need for me to even try to fit right there because this shit not gonna work. I'm trying to see if Zay wanna meet somewhere, bro. That G8 crazy, bro. Damn. Cat motherfucker. This the car, bro. This what I'm looking for the people who don't know, bro. And it already got the 5 spokes already, bro. This shit crazy, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. I don't even know what the fuck going on, bro, but we chilling, bro. You know what I'm saying? Got the motherfucking RT. Scat, G, goddamn, all that fast shit out here, man. Got a motherfucking cat, man. But, huh? Goddamn right. When I seen the 5 spokes, I thought that shit was like a scat, but he put the 5 spokes on that bitch. But that bitch, I looked under the shit. That shit is not a, huh? Hell, I don't know. I think it's rap. I don't know. This a crazy ass spot, bro. I know y'all looking at that glare. That glare is something crazy, bro. That's why I got that bit zoomed out like this. Like, hold on, I'm gonna see if I can fix the glare. Hold on. Is the glare fixed? It's fixed a little bit, goddamn it. But yeah, this will be at right now, man. Shit is crazy. And then look, y'all already know. Alright, man, that's pretty much wrap it up for this vlog, bro. We just really just chilling, bro, as y'all boys can see, you know what I'm saying? We chilling, bro. I'm about to end it off right here, though. Appreciate y'all boys for watching. If y'all haven't already, make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, man. And I'm out with this bitch, man.